So yeah, to have a side hustle in this day and age, you really need an online presence. I have YouTube channels, I have blogs, I post at Pinterest, Tumblr, Facebook, and others. So you should too. Remember, you can always hire assistants from Fiverr or Upwork to help you with that. Legal considerations, make sure you are legal, pay your taxes. You don't want to get your side hustle stopped because you're not doing what you should. So obtain the necessary business licenses and understand your tax obligations, all that. Network and build relationships. You may want to join some meetup groups if there's any that have anything to do with your side hustle, or associations. You can go to conferences and network. You can do that. Airbnb, for example, has a community that you can join, so you can meet others at barbecues and things like that. Marketing and promotion, again, you can hire at Fiverr or Upwork for that, or there's Google ads or Facebook ads, YouTube ads if you have a YouTube channel. I guess YouTube and Google are really the same thing now. So those kind of ads. There's a lot you can do at Facebook for free. You can post things for free in different groups. Just don't spam. Try to not do that. I've set up some of my own Facebook groups and pages in order to promote my stuff, my things. Be flexible and listen to feedback about your side hustle so you can improve your product or service. One of my side hustles is Airbnb hosting, so I listen to guests very much. A friend of mine just stayed, so he pointed out a few things that we could improve on. So don't take that personally, take it as information because it's helping you. And stay patient, stay committed. It takes a long time to build up a new side hustle. It can be 2 to 3 years before you really see any money from it. So be patient. Don't quit your day job. Keep working on your side hustle. But measure your success, see how well you're doing, be ready to pivot if things aren't working out. I spent 8 years making websites, and that didn't work out for me. It worked out for other people. But Udemy, Airbnb, owning, running an English school has worked for me. So there are different side hustles that may work for you or may not work for you, but be prepared to pivot if they don't. And there are a few more sources at the bottom there you may want to check out: Entrepreneur and Forbes and I guess Inc. They may have more insights that you can use to help you with your side hustle.